Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to practice few more sums from the topic statistics. That is, today I will practice few sums from mean, median, and mode. So the first question of the day. The question says that 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a telephone directory and the distribution of the number of letters of the English alphabet in the surname are obtained as follows. Now, number of letters 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Okay, they are the number of letters in the surname, and number of surnames that is actually the frequency, that is the frequency number of surnames. So 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. Okay, that is the number of surnames, that is the frequency. Now you have to find the mean, median, and mode of this distribution. You have to find the mean, median, and mode of this distribution. So to find the mean, first of all, you write down the class mark. Class mark. And you know that we denote it by x. Class mark we denote by x. So 1 plus 4 upon 2, that is 5 upon 2, so 2.5. Then 4 plus 7 upon 2, that is 5.5, because 4 plus 7 will be 11. 11 upon 2 is 5.5. Then 7 plus 10 upon 2, 17 upon 2, that is 8.5. Then 10 plus 13, 23 by 2, that is 11.5. Then 13 plus 16, 29, so 14.5. And then 17.5. Okay, so these are the class marks. Now to find the median, here we will apply the shortcut method or the assumed mean method. Okay, so we'll apply assumed mean method. So mean assumed or assumed mean, so here we take say 11.5 as the assumed mean. Here we take 11.5 as the assumed mean. You can take any number as assumed mean. So here I have taken 11.5. Usually we take a number at the middle of the distribution. So here I have taken 11.5 as the assumed mean. Now here you have to make a table B, which is equal to x minus a, means from all the values of x you have to subtract the assumed mean. So 2.5 minus 11.5 will be minus 9. Clear? 2.5 minus 11.5 will be minus 9. Then 5.5 minus 11.5 will be minus 6. Then 8.5 minus 11.5 will be minus 3. Then 11.5 minus 11.5 will be 0. 14.5 minus 11.5 will be 3. And then 17.5 minus 11.5 will be 6. So that is the deviation. Okay. Now You have to make a table f into d. You have to make a table f into d. That means 6 into minus 9, that is minus 54. 30 into minus 6, that is minus 180. Then 40 into minus 3, that is minus 120. Then 16 into 0 will be 0 only. 4 into 3 will be 12. And 4 into 6 will be 24. Okay. Now you have to find sigma ft, means sum of all of them with sign. Now see, 120 and 180 will be 300, that is minus 300. Okay. And 24 and 12 will be 36. Minus 54 plus 36 will be minus 18. Minus 54 plus 36 will be minus 18. So it is minus 318. When you add all of them, you will see sigma ft is equal to minus 318. Okay, now here you find out sigma f, sum of the frequencies. So 6 into 30 will be 36, plus 40 is 76. 76 and 20 will be 96 and 400. In the question they have written also that 100 surnames are selected randomly. So sigma will be 100. Now you know that formula for mean. Formula for mean is equal to a plus sigma ft upon sigma f. The formula for mean is a plus sigma ft upon sigma f. Now the value of a is 11.5. Sigma ft we have calculated minus 318 upon sigma f is 100. So 11.5 minus 3.18. Now from 11.5 you have to subtract 3.18. So when you subtract 3.18 from 11.5, you will get 8.32. So the mean is 8.32. Okay. The mean we have calculated, it is 8.32. Now we will calculate the median. To calculate the median, we need cumulative frequency. You know that to calculate the median we need cumulative frequency. So we can make another table to find the median, but here in this particular table I'll include the cumulative frequency also. So this is the cumulative frequency. This is the cumulative frequency. Now 6, then 6 plus 30 is 36. Then 36 plus 40 is 76. Then 76 plus 16 is 92. Then 92 plus 4 is 96. And 96 plus 4 is 100. Okay. So here we have calculated the cumulative frequency. Now the total frequency, as you can see here or here, it is 100, and 100 upon 2 is 50. Now you have to see the item 50 lies in which class. So you see it is up to 36 and it is up to 76. So 50 lies in this only. So this will be the medial class. This is the medial class. Okay, the total frequency is 100, and for median we divide it by 2. So 100 upon 2 will be 50, and 50, this is up to 36 and this is up to I have 76, so 50 lies here only. So this is the medial class. This is the medial class. Okay. Now you know the formula for median is L1 plus L2 minus L1 upon F into N by 2 minus C. The formula for finding out the median is L1 plus L2 minus L1 upon F and within brackets N by 2 minus C. Now you know L1 is the lower limit of the medial class, L2 is the upper limit of the medial class, and F is the frequency of the medial class, N is the total frequency, and C is the cumulative frequency of pre-medial class. I repeat, C is the cumulative frequency of the pre-medial class. So here you see, as we have already selected the medial class, so L1 is equal to 7, that is the lower limit of the medial class. So L1 is 7. Then L2 minus L1. L2 minus L1 means 10 minus 7 upon F. F is 40. The frequency of the medial class is 40. Okay, so upon 40. Now within brackets N by 2, that is 50, you know 100 upon 2 is 50, and the cumulative frequency of the pre-medial class will be C36. So 50 minus 36, like this. Okay, 50 minus 36. Now it is 7 plus 10 minus 7 will be 3 upon 40 into 50 minus 36 will be 14. 50 minus 36 is 14. So you cancel it by 2. Okay. Now 21 upon 7 plus 21 upon 20. 21 upon 20 will be 1.05. 21 upon 20 is 1.05. So 7 plus 1.05 will be 8.05. So the median is 8.05. Okay. So you can see the mean is 8.32 and the median is 8.05. Okay. Now mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. There is a formula directly to calculate mode from median and mean. So 3 times median minus 2 times mean is the mode. So 3 into the median is 8.05 and mean is 8.32. So 24.15 minus 16.64. Okay, now you subtract from 24, excuse me, you subtract 16.64 and when we subtract 8.5, so you can see we have found mode as and it should be, I think, yes, it is 7.151. 7.51. Okay. 7.51. So the mode is 7.51. We can find out the mode by the other formula also that I told you in the previous class. As the frequency of this class is maximum, so this is the modal class also. The medial class and the modal class are the same here. So as the frequency is maximum, so this will be the modal class. Okay. Now the formula to find out the mode is equal to L1 plus F minus F1 upon 2F minus F1 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. That is the formula to find out the mode, where L1 and L2 are the lower limit and the upper limit of the modal class. F is the frequency of the modal class. F1 is the frequency of the pre-modal class and F2 is the frequency of post-modal class. Now what we do, you see, as this is the modal class, so the L1 is 7. So 7 plus 40 minus, because F is 40, you can see, 40 minus 36 upon 2F. 2F means 80 minus 36 minus cumulative frequency. You can see of the post-modal class means, I'm sorry, not cumulative frequency. This is the frequency of, F is the frequency of the modal class. F1 is the frequency of the pre-modal class, means 30, and F2 is the frequency of the post-modal class. So 80 minus 30 minus 16, like this. And L2 minus L1 is 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is L2 minus L1. Now see, 40 minus 30 will be 10, and here 80 minus 30 is 50, 50 minus 16 will be 34, and 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, so 7 plus 30 upon 34. So when you solve it, when you divide it, 30 and 34, then add to 7, then you will get the mode. Clear? So in the next class, we will practice few more sums on the topic mean, median and mode.